Okay, so this is the spigot bearing. This is where it goes, and this card goes on the back of the crank. Now what I do is I choose a socket, because I'm underneath the car now, that will go to the outer diameter of it, and I can pull it in and out of here real easily. See?
Hi, Daddy.
So what I do is I put the spigot bearing in there. Sorry about all the wobbly, but
I will go around and see.
and then I just tap it in lightly from around the outside until it goes in where it's supposed to. Pretty easy, it's not hard work. Don't hit the center, just around the outside. There's my son Zach. Watching me. Okay. I can see, all you do is get a bigger socket and just...
Huh? Daddy, what? What?
hit it all the way in.
Daddy. Ooh, I see it. Hello.
It's not in all the way yet.
Yes.
You have to tap it a bit more.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. You see the edges red?
Hello.
Yeah, see that? It wobbles. See how it plays? I'm not happy with that. This is my little assistant. My assistant, Nana, come and say hello. Nana, say hello.
Hello.
She's with the boss. Right? Okay. Nana is my assistant. Go, pro, stop recording.